Alexa, what is APS?
According to Wikipedia, accounts payable is money owed by a business to its suppliers shown as a liability on a company's
Alexa,
balance sheet.
please stop. I'm asking about what is APS certificate. Please give proper information. Please research thoroughly. Don't just blabber. Alexa, what is APS certificate?
From Dave.2, the Academic Evaluation Center, APS, certificate is a verification document required by German universities to confirm the authenticity of your academic records and qualifications.
Yes. Thank you, Alexa. Thank you for giving such a clarity about APS certificate. Now I'm going to give much clarity about what is APS certificate. Please listen very carefully. Okay? Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to our new informational video. I know you know me as Euro Ganesh, right? So yeah, I'm Ganesh basically. So currently I'm doing my master's in Germany at University of Weinheim. So I'm about to finish my master's in coming 4 months. So right now I'm doing my master thesis. So okay, coming to my masters, I'm doing my triple country masters. I started in Germany at University of Weinheim, and then I moved to Poland at University of Warsaw, where I finished my second semester, and then I moved to Italy for my third semester, where I finished my third semester at University of Turin, and then also I had one summer school which is in Spain. So yeah, that's all about me. So now let's get into our video. So today our topic was about APS, right? So now let's get into our topic. Today our topic is APS. What is APS? As APS is just a certificate, just one paper that is given by Academic Evaluation Center, which is located in Delhi. So usually you need this certificate in order to study in German universities, which is very simple. So they will validate our educational qualifications, our bachelor education. For example, a lot of students are submitting fake documents, fake education documents. That's why they bring this regulations. So yeah, these students have to submit this APS certificate. Then only we will allow them to study in our university, something like that, because they value their education very much. So they prefer genuine students, not a fake students. That's why they implemented this APS thing in their admission process. So basically this APS is mandatory for few countries. One is India, another one is China and Vietnam as well, right? So I think these students from these countries, they have to submit this APS certificate. So that is all about that. I was really struggled to connect with the students who are actually pursuing my master's courses. For example, I am doing my master's in food science course. So before I came here, I don't know anyone who is actually pursuing this course. So if I know this platform called GD Connect, actually this is a platform is meant for students who are planning to study in abroad. So in this platform, actually you can connect with the alumni, students, or like your future friends, maybe from your future university itself. And it's really a good place where actually you can connect with the real students, and you can clarify all your doubts, concerns, or else you can also ask about the courses, or else about accommodations, scholarship, anything, everything. Actually this is a really good platform. I would suggest you, if you're really interested, go check it. If you like it, you can register. It's completely up to you. And also it's best thing is it's completely free. That I really like about it. Yeah, this is all about GD Connect. Thank you so much. If you like it, just go and check. It's completely up to you, and it's really useful, I guess. Yeah. And coming to our video. So firstly, lot of students were complaining about that. So yeah, bro, I'm not getting my APS certificate even after 6 months, even after like 4 months. Why? What's happening? I don't know what's happening with my APS certificate. That's what they're complaining me. So I understood that actually a lot of students were complaining about this because they are not getting their APS certificate on time. So it's taking a lot of time, like 6 months, 4 months, sometimes 8 months. Even after 8 months, they are not getting the APS certificate. What's happening? This is the issue that's going on actually. So I feel there are few common issues that a student has to take care. First is application, right? So you will apply to the APS certificate through their website. So you will basically, you just have to register yourself. Within 1 or 2 days your online portal will be created, and you can actually can upload all your documents, required documents. And I think you also have to pay the fee, which is around 18,000 rupees, Indian rupees. after that you have to send all the uploaded documents, whatever the uploaded documents. Usually the documents are like 10th, 12th and bachelor's transcripts and bachelor's final degree certificate and IELTS if you have, or else if there is enrollment certificate you also can attach that as well. And the professor contact details in a Word document. You can just write in a Word document and you can take out the printout and you can submit all your details of your professor, for example, like your professor mail ID and the contact phone numbers, so that the people from the APS, they can easily contact your professor to validate your education. Okay, that's very easy. And also you could give your contact number also. So it's maybe you just write every contact details in one paper and submit them. That's, I would say, it's I think it's easy for them to approach you back. So that, and also another issue was about payment issues. A lot of people are actually having trouble with the payment actually. Yeah, you're paying the money but still they are not getting the confirmation. That's the issue actually. So you pay the money but it's taking transaction time or something else. But I would say, so they gave a lot of options: instant payment, or else with a bank transfer, or you can pay instant payment. So if you pay money instantly, then it's easy for them to just confirm the money so that you got from this link, so they can just confirm it and you are done with the payment, so you don't have any issues with that. Another one was courier. So when you're actually couriering your documents, please make sure to attach every minute documents. Don't miss anything. If you miss that, they can't actually give APS certificate, obviously. So make sure to attach each and every document. Also address, please make sure to send to right address, which is very important. So that is a few things that a student has to take care before applying for APS certificate. So yeah, this is one of the messages that one of my student, because we are actually student consultants, so a lot of students are consulting the students. For example, I'm also working as a student consultant, and she sent me that she applied I think 2 months before. She got exactly like within 2 months. So that's the thing. This is the WhatsApp message that I got from her. See, yeah. So yeah, regarding the student consultants, maybe I could give some more information about that. Maybe it may helpful for you as well. For example, if you are a student who are actually aspiring for to study in Germany or else anywhere in Europe, only in Europe actually. So we are working as a student consultants. So we were providing guidance for the upcoming students, and we are actually helping them to apply for the universities. We ourselves will apply every university. You don't have to do anything actually. So all you have to do is you just have to submit all the required documents that what we need, like your transcripts, bachelor certificates, something like that. So nothing else. And then we will do everything right from LO or motivation letter, applying to the university, shortlisting the courses based on your preference. We will do everything on behalf of you, and then we so that this process makes easier for you, so that you don't have to do anything, and it's easy, I guess. And we are also not charging much because we are a student, so we know we also came here by paying this much money, so we don't want you to pay that much of money for consultancies. That's why we are providing these services for you. If you're really interested, so I'm providing my mail ID here. You can just write me and then I'll be in touch with you, or else you can just comment me, or yeah. Thank you so much. And also just give a like, man. Give a like. If this information is really helpful to you, please give a like. And also don't forget to subscribe, and it's really really helpful to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.